Hello guys and welcome back to another week. Now we've started the week with very nice trades, right? Today I actually wanted to get all the three strategies that I've been teaching on this channel. I wanted to get trades on it and leave them running so that I can actually talk about the 714 method for today. But unfortunately, I did not get the short burst strategy that is going according to the trend. And as you can see, price is weakened all the way back up. So I have to close the second trade as well with the 714 method, right? MBK strategy was marvelous this morning, as you can see all the way down. Very nice. I should have actually gotten out here because of the change of character, but because of the bigger time frame, I already knew for sure that's what we are continuing to shoot all the way down. So that wasn't really a problem, right? So let me close the second trade with the 714 method so that we can actually analyze it. Now I actually close another trade with the MBK strategy as well, leaving only one single trade over there, right? Because I'll actually bring a stop loss all the way back up to this zone. I still think we are pushing all the way down, but so far so good. That is what I'm currently going to do right now. So I've closed the trade. Now let's talk about it. So obviously the 714 method today was one of the easiest, right? As you can see by the looks of it, you already know it was one of the easiest. Why am I saying one of the easiest? So obviously when you look within this range right here, you can see that we were in a downtrend. So if we are in a downtrend, our expectation is that price should continue pushing all the way up, meaning price should hit a zone and wick all the way up. But I've told you guys we have something that I brought up called the reverse 714 method, which means that if price is going down massively, the bigger time frame, right? If you look at the bigger time frame, price is going down massively. Please don't follow the 714 method. So in this scenario, we are in a downtrend, right? But we can also see the price is pushing down massively. So we are not going to follow the 714 method. No, because we are going to get into a loss if we are going to follow the 714 method, right? We are not going to buy, we are going to wait for a BOS, just execute a trade. Now, when you look at this range, you can see the price consolidated for a little before actually dropping. Now, my trade was around somewhere here because I wanted to see a rejection back to this highs before I can actually execute my trade. But that was it. Very simple, right? So all price did was to just do what? Just consolidate on the 714 method, as you can see, finally broke through it. So all you needed to do was to just execute your trade after this lane right here is broken. Execute your trade below here, which is a sell trade, because you are using the reverse 714 method. You are going according to the trend. You are not going according to what the 714 method is telling you, because you know for sure that if you do that, you are going to lose, right? Very simple. Last week, I think Friday, that was Friday, I executed the same trade and I talked about it. If the trend is going down, the 714 method is telling you to buy, but you are looking at the trend, it's highly positive, right? It's pushing down and sellers are coming in very nice. Please just go according to the trend. All you need is just a BOS. In today's scenario, all you need is for price to just break below this range, because this right here was a massive support. If price breaks below that support, you execute your trade and you are done. Very simple. Now when you look closely, you realize that I did not actually see the short burst strategy that actually goes according to the trend. If you look at this range right here, so let me show you this. So if you look at this range right here, you probably see this right here was a double top, probably around this range. But you can see that price eventually came back to that level again. I actually wanted to use it, but price came back to that level again. So I just had to trade the 714 method alone. The only place that I actually saw that what the short burst strategy happening was this range right here, and we're in the 714 meter, so I just wanted it to finish. That's why I did not execute. But if you had looked at it right there, you can see our double top happening just around that range, and you could have just executed your trade when price break below this, which is a change of character. So you would have executed your trade right here with your stop loss being above here, your first TP on this low right here, that's the last low, and you probably be targeting 1:2. It would have been a marvelous trade, right? So today that was just it. You can see how all the strategies that I've taught so far is quite profitable. I've told you, just learn it. Now I know the MBK strategy, the video that I made on it was quite difficult to understand. I'll be making another video on it, so just try your best and stay tuned and understand it. Just learn it. please learn it. Learn all those strategies. All the strategies I'm teaching here, I'm teaching those same things to my students, right? Very, very easy. Now, I think they are going to actually get it quite easy today. I actually gave most of my students a weekly assignment, and I think the 714 method and the MBK, they'll get it easy, but the short bar strategy, they'll find it hard. But so far, so good. That's just what is happening. I'll see you guys in the next video. The week I've begun, please, I've told you guys, if I can do this every single week, you can do it at least, 3 times a week, right? So let's see what happens next. Tomorrow is another day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.